Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Matilda, and today we're diving into a topic that affects many women and even men around the world: hormonal imbalance. But in this video, we'll take a unique approach by combining modern medical insights with the wisdom of traditional remedies. So, whether you're dealing with hormonal issues yourself or you want to learn more, stick around as we'll explore the signs, symptoms, and safe cultural approaches to balancing your hormones. Hormonal imbalance happens when there's too much or too little of a hormone in your bloodstream. This can affect different areas of your body, including your mood, weight, skin, and reproductive health. Our hormones control every part and every function in the body, from metabolism and sleep to stress management, energy levels, and even your skin. Some common signs of hormonal imbalance include weight gain, irregular periods, fatigue, and mood swings. But don't worry, in today's video, we'll talk about what causes these imbalances and how we can manage them, both with modern medicine and traditional Nigerian remedies. So, how can you tell if your hormones might be out of balance? Here are some key signs to look out for. For women, one of the most common signs is irregular periods. If you have missed cycles, maybe you're having heavy bleeding or irregularity, it could indicate hormonal imbalance, especially when it relates to your estrogen and progesterone. Another sign is the changes in your skin, like sudden breakouts or dry patches. This could be due to hormonal fluctuations, particularly during puberty, pregnancy, or menopause. Another sign is if you're constantly tired, no matter how much rest you get. It could be because of your thyroid imbalance or cortisol level, which is the stress hormone. Now, another sign is weight gain or difficulty losing weight. So, hormonal imbalance, especially insulin resistance, can make it harder to lose weight or even cause unexpected weight gain. Another sign is mood swings and anxiety. So, hormones like serotonin and progesterone play a role in regulating your mood. So if you experience sudden mood swings, anxiety, or depression, so it's worth considering whether hormonal imbalance is the culprit. Now that we know the signs, let's look at what might be causing the imbalance. Hormonal imbalance can be triggered by a number of factors. One, stress. Long-term stress can increase your cortisol levels, leading to fatigue, weight gain, and other symptoms. Another is diet and lifestyle. So, poor nutrition, lack of exercise, or high sugar intake can affect your insulin and estrogen levels. Another is PCOS. So, for women, this condition can disrupt the balance of your sex hormone, causing irregular periods, weight gain, and acne. Another is thyroid issues. So conditions like hypothyroidism, which is low thyroid levels, and hyperthyroidism, which is the high thyroid levels, can affect your hormones. Another is environmental toxins. So exposure to certain chemicals like those in plastics can mimic hormones and disrupt your system. So traditional remedies that I have tried that actually worked and helped me balance my hormones. So while modern medicine is vital in addressing hormonal imbalances, I personally relied on traditional remedies, right? It doesn't mean that I neglected the medical advice I got, but I tried natural methods or traditional methods to um to improve my hormonal levels. You see, leaves like bitter leaf, morning glory leaves. These are very good for detoxifying the body and balancing hormones. Then you see things like ginger and garlic. These are remedies for blood circulation and they also help to reduce inflammation. Then other leaves like scent leaf, African basil, pawpaw leaves. These help to regulate your hormones, especially in women, right? So a few traditional remedies that you can safely incorporate into your routine for hormonal health are: one, bitter leaf tea. Bitter leaf is known to help with detoxifying and improving blood circulation. So drinking bitter leaf tea can help balance your hormones, especially for women. Another is scent leaf and garlic mixture. So a mixture of scent leaf and garlic can be used to improve digestion and hormonal function. So you can blend them and take a small teaspoon daily. Another is ginger and honey tea. So ginger has very powerful anti-inflammatory properties and can help to regulate your cortisol. So boil some ginger, add a bit of honey, and drink this tea daily to help reduce stress and balance your hormones. Then another is pawpaw leaves for menstrual health. So for women who are battling irregular periods, pawpaw leaves are often used in many traditional homes to help regulate menstrual cycle. I tried it and it worked. Now let's talk about how we can blend modern medicine with traditional remedies. While herbs are natural remedies and can help to support hormonal health, they should complement, not replace medical advice. So if you're experiencing severe symptoms, it's very important that you consult a healthcare provider for tests and diagnosis. But adding these natural remedies into your daily life, along with healthy eating and stress management, can certainly help support your hormonal health. So, hormonal imbalance is a common issue, but with the right approach, it's something that can be managed, whether you're seeking advice from modern medicine or you're seeking advice from traditional remedies. The key is to take care of your body and listen to what it needs. I hope this video helped you learn more about the signs, symptoms, and remedies for hormonal imbalance. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Also, let me know in the comments if you like more videos on traditional Nigerian health remedies. Until next time, stay healthy, stay balanced, and keep thriving.